Hello foodies, imagine a dish so fragrant it fills your entire home with the essence of traditional temple feast. Today we aren't just making a meal, we are crafting a masterpiece. Last week I shared the secret our homemade authentic Vangi Bath powder. Today we put that gold to work. This is special no onion, no garlic recipe, but it's absolutely bursting with flavors. Whether it's for festival prasadam or a special family lunch, this is the ultimate Karnataka comfort food. Get ready because the perfect Vangi Bath is just minutes away. Let's do how to make this Vangi Bath. And these are the ingredients required for the Vangi Bath. Take a screenshot of it. We begin with the star of the show, nearly 200 grams of fresh white brinjal, also known as Mysore Badnekai. I have chopped these lengthwise and kept them in water to ensure they don't discolor. Let's keep those aside. Next, I have taken a small lemon-sized tamarind, soaked it and extracted its rich pulp. We also have about 3 teaspoons of peas that I have soaked overnight. They are nice and soft right now. This is completely optional, but it's highly recommended. And here I've taken nearly 3 teaspoons of this Vangi Bath powder. And also here comes the boiled rice. I have completely cooked the rice and kept it to cool down, and let's keep this aside. Now let's get to the stove. In a pan, add nearly 4 to 5 tablespoons of oil. This recipe requires a little extra oil for that authentic taste. Once the oil is hot enough, add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. Allow them to crackle. This is very important. Now add a half a teaspoon of jeera and a half a teaspoon of chana dal and a half a teaspoon of urad dal and a few sprigs of curry leaves. Toss in the 3 dried red chilies. I'm taking Batani. Fry and saute until the lentils are perfectly crispy and golden. This should take about 1 minute or so. Now turn the flame to low and then add the chopped or soaked white brinjals into the pan. Now add 1 teaspoon of salt, 2 pinches of turmeric powder, followed by soaked peas or Batani. If you have fresh peas, you can add them now too. Now increase the flame to high and saute until the brinjals are about 50% cooked, and it takes around 4 minutes on a high flame. After 4 minutes, it's time to add the tamarind juice and a tablespoon of Jaggery powder to balance the sourness. Now look closely. There is a lot of moisture here. We need to cook this until the moisture completely goes away and the brinjal absorbs all the tanginess. So close the lid and let it cook for about 4 to 5 minutes. Look here. After 5 minutes, you will see the brinjal are 100% cooked and the oil is also floating on the top and there is no moisture present. Now it means it's perfectly done. You can see here the brinjal are also perfectly cooked. At the exact time, add a quarter teaspoon of hing, that's asafoetida, and 2 tablespoons of grated dry coconut. Yes, it's a grated dry coconut. We'll add everything to the mixture, and the star of the show, as I told you earlier, here comes the main heat. My homemade Vangi Bath powder. If you missed the recipe for this powder, the link is right in the iCard and also in the description down below. Now add the 3 teaspoons of this yummy flavorful Vangi Bath powder. Keep the flame on low. This is very crucial. and give it a nice mix until the masala perfectly coats everything. Finally, add a fluffy cooked rice and we'll add some chopped coriander leaves. Give it one last gentle mix. Make sure you mix it thoroughly, and the masala should coat each and every grain of rice. You should mix like that. If you want a beautiful crunch, you can add fried cashews or fried peanuts now, but today I'm just keeping it classic. But if you add, it will be wonderful. And that's it. You got yourself a beautiful aromatic, no onion, no garlic Vangi Bath, the Brahmin style. It's the perfect prasadam for festivals or the treat for your family. If you love this recipe, please subscribe to my channel. It's completely free and helps me to keep sharing these flavorful recipes with you. Wait until next week, though I'm preparing a special video that's going to change the way you look at the South Indian breakfast. You won't want to miss it. Until then, I'll see you in the next one. Till then, this is Deepak Kshatriya signing off on Jai Hind, Jai Karnataka, Namaskara. Till then, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It's completely free.